Sell hand-stitched embroidery or cross-stitch patterns on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products on this platform, which is etsy.com. So let's get started by clicking on the sign in button to create a new account, and if you already have an account you just click on sign in, and if you want to register, click on register to create your new account. So let's just sign in, and here this is the main page or the dashboard of this platform, as you can see. And here in your top right you have 5 buttons, and I'm going to go through each one of them and explain it for you, starting with favorites, where you can check or see the saved products or the saved shops. Then we have the updates, which is obvious. Then we have the shop manager, and I'm going to explain it right away. Then we have the your account button, where you can see the purchases and reviews, messages, special offers, and so on. Then we have the basket or the cart, where you will find the products that you added to your cart. So let's go to the shop manager, and it's where we're going to set our product or our shop to be ready for selling. So let's start from the shop preferences, and here it's where you get started and tell them about you and your shop. So for a start you choose your language, which is already chosen for you. Then you choose your shop country, and you choose your shop currency. So here I'm just going to leave it in the United States dollar. Then you click on save and continue. And sorry, I missed the name your shop step. So first you choose a name for your shop. So I'm going to choose a hand stitched. So let's type hand stitched, and let's see. So it looks like hand stitched is already taken. So let's go with hand stitched crafts, and then click on save and continue. Then this is the most important step. It's where you add photos and details about your item, and also you fill out what you can for now, and you will be able to edit this later. So as a start you choose where you upload photos of your product, as you can see, in multiple variations, size and scale, in use, details, primary photo, every angle, and so on. And guys, you just need to follow these tips to make the best photos you can upload. So first, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. And also use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. So guys, this is obligatory, it's not optional. You need to upload more than at least 10 photos or more, just to be able to proceed to the next step. So here it's not just photos, you will need also to upload a video of your product, which is less than 100 megabytes, and also follow these other tips, which is film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video, aim for 1080 or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And guys, if you want to learn how you can make videos that sell, just click on this link, and also bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video and filter sound, so let your product do the talking. So as you can see, up from 5 to 15-second video. And also this is obligatory, like these photos, you need to upload a video. Then we have the listing details, where you type in the title of your product. So let's go with hand stitched, and here about the listing, who made it. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product. When did you make it? Let's go with 2020 and 2023. And here you choose the category of the product. If it's just type in the name, and let's see if they will suggest some category. Let's see, what do you have? Let's go with hand stitched in embroidery. Then you have these optional settings if you want to fill them. If not, just skip them and go to these renewal options. Choose automatic or manual. Then you choose the type, if it's a physical product or a digital product, and then you type a description for your product. To make it easier, just go to ChatGPT, give them a few informations about your product, and let the robot or let the AI type your description. Then if you want to choose a product partners, if not, just leave it. And here you have these 3 other settings which are optional: the section, tags, and materials. So just leave them empty. Then we have the inventory and the pricing. You choose a price for your product, and if you want to turn this off, which is the domestic and global pricing, also you type the quantity that you have in that product, the SKU number, which is optional. Then if you have variations in the product, like available options like color or size, buyers will choose from these during checkout. You add those variations. If not, just dismiss it. Then you have the personalization. If you want to collect personalized information for this listing, make it on or turn it on. Then you have the shipping settings, where you have the country of origin postal code, processing time, standard shipping, and so on. And when you're done with your shipping settings, you have the return and exchanges policy. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.